Yo, what's up, guys? Today I will be showing you how to make a paper server or any type of server that is a jar easily right now for Minecraft, any version. So what you want to do is either go to the link in the description or type this manually into your web browser and then press right here to the free and download servermaker.py. This is a py to automatically make the server so you don't have to do anything. Then what you want to do is make a folder, put it in there. Don't mind this. This is just some stuff. I can delete that right now. But just put the server maker py into there and then make a folder called versions. Once you've made the folder called versions, go to this link. It's in the GitHub or in the description, the second link. And this is for modded servers, but you can download any version from here. So for example, I'll choose 1.18, and even if it says unsupported, you can still get it. By the way, it just means that it's not the latest one, I think. But yeah, so make sure you have the correct Java and like the minimum version. I recommend just getting the latest one, like 25. And then what you want to do is go to it, download the paper.jar, not the oh wait, no, not the Mojang jar, just the jar, okay? So not this paper 1.18 Mojang.jar, just this, okay? Once you have downloaded it, open your thing where you have the servermaker.py and make sure you have servermaker.py and the versions. And once you have those two, um, go. Don't mind the README. I just made that, by the way. Go to the versions and put it in there. I recommend just renaming it to the Minecraft version, so it's easier to know because that's how it's gonna be named the app. But once you have that, you can open up the server maker.py. It will like do some stuff, and then you have this. What you want to do? I Here you will see all the Minecraft jars you have, like in the versions. You can also add non-modded like snapshots, but for that you'll have to search up Minecraft the version, like for example 26.1.1 and then just click on this, the official Minecraft, and scroll all the way down until you see this Minecraft server jar, and just click on that and it will download. Once you have that, you can also put it in here, or I'm into the versions, and then if you just put it in and you already had it open, please reopen it, or else it won't show. You choose the folder by pressing this button. I will probably, yeah, by pressing this button. It's actually accidentally in a different language, but that's alright. So just do this, choose the folder where the Minecraft will be, the Minecraft server, and then choose the version here, for example 1.1.1.5, and this is the port. I will in the later on in this video show how to actually make it public so anyone can join around the world, but for now I'll make the port 25569. Actually no, 25511. This is how much RAM. The more RAM you give it means the less lag people will have. I recommend giving it like 4 on each. And once you have that, I recommend you do have create optimize start.bat. It just makes a bat folder that when you open it will automatically start the server and have the best optimized settings so it like lags less. Though there might be select for other people, but that actually depends on the thing you hosted. But for now, I'll do this. Now you can create a server. So for example, if I choose, so you just put it in, choose the version, the port, and remember the port, by the way. Then choose the RAM. I recommend like 4, but if you have like 16 gigabytes on your PC, like you can check by pressing Control Shift Escape, and then go to this and the memory. If you have like if you have like 10 gigabytes when you have Minecraft launched and like all the things you need, and you still have like 5 gigabytes left, I recommend giving it 4. But if you have like 32 gigabytes, you can give it like 6. So it's like the best. But if you don't have that much, I recommend going to Eternals or something because, but I'm not sponsored. Because yeah, you need RAM for this to actually run that good. Or you can give it megabytes, but for that you would have to change the start that bad. So if you don't have a lot, just uh just create it, but and then just open it in uh text thing, and I'll show you how to change it. So then you create a server, and wherever you choose, it will automatically make the server. So wait, let me actually, yeah, it will just make the server, and I'm gonna close it because I don't want to leak anything. And once you have that, wait, here. Okay, I already have one server here that I didn't make with it, but no, I actually did. So you have all of this. You should. If you wanna, but if you open server properties, you can change everything here, like the server port, like that's like how the thing will connect, or for example, max players on the server. You can change anything here, but don't change the Archon port. Only change the server port, and don't put anything in the server IP because you don't really need that. You can change the simulation distance, like if someone has it too much, it will still be set to 10. Whitelist, view distance, which is like chunks, and you can even change so what's the normal game mode, forced game mode, and if cracked players can join by changing online mode to false. Yeah, right here. And then once you're set, all you really have to do is, if you're gonna play alone on that server, then you can just press start.bat, and then you go into Minecraft, press create add server, and just type in localhost double dot and the port, or just localhost, and it should connect you. If you have any questions about it, type in the comments. But if you wanna change stuff, you can change the. But I don't change the LOL because that's basically the Minecraft thing, like for it to work. But yeah, you can change like banned players. Though when you make a server, you will not have op, so you will have to like give yourself op using command prompts and stuff. You will get it once you open start that bath. Okay, and if you wanna add plugins, you just drag jars into here. This is my custom plugin, by the way, so I already used this. But yeah, you can change the world, like data. You can add data packs and stuff. But yeah, that's basically it. But if you want to make it public, here is how to do it. So open play.gg. Just log in. I'm gonna log in, and then click on go to agents once you're in. Or you might have a different, but you have to download the agent. It's just played. It's this basically, okay? A play.gg thing, because when you log in you have to like do, but it will like, if it says like enter code or something, go back because that's like you're too early for that. That's what most people do. But once you're in here, like accounts agents, then you should have this agent. So if you have the agent, that means this play.gg has connected to the play.gg web, which is good. But I'll leave the link to play.gg in the comment. I mean in the description. So if you have it here, then that's good. But this is free. Then you can go to tunnels, and by the max tunnels is oh my gosh, I have to change that. Okay, max tunnels is 4, but you can have more by making a proxy server that has multiple servers inside, so you can basically have unlimited. But for that, I won't probably make a video unless you guys ask me to. So you'll just make a server, and then you cannot change the IP though. That's the only thing. You can name it whatever you want, but only you'll see that. And then you should have this. Uh, but you choose what country. I recommend like Germany, but then make sure that once it asks you port, make it the same port as you chose in the server.properties or in the app. Uh, but I choose the Java when you make one agent, because that's like the only free one, like the third one from the top left. And once you have this, then you're basically